Bamiri ya Tob Cohen ni yumiritie kuuga ati rugano rwa Sarah Wairimu uria kwa ihinda riri umenyekanite ni aingi ta mwikuirwo wa kuragwo gwa Cohen tiguo maroe Wairimu kwa ihinda ria makiria ma miaka 30 iria maroyaine nake.
Nice, charming, entertaining, polite, whatever.
Kuringana na Gabriela Cohen, Wairimu arari na unyitaniri mwega na andu a bamiri ino na matire maigua haranio cia kumahahura kuma kuri Cohen uria marauga ndarendete kwanika maundu ma kihiko giake kuri andu.
He never spoke about it. Maybe in a way, if I think back, okay, he told me a little bit, 4.5 years ago, that they slept to separate. Okay, but that's also things that happen in many marriages.
Kuoneka kwa mwiri wa mwendwa wao maugite ni kihuruko kurio makiuga kwa ihinda ria mieri iri iria Cohen aragite matirari na thayu.
If you have a missing person, it takes 5 or 10 years. So this is great, as far as you can speak about that. But yes, of course. And then at his own home, which is also nice. Nice.
It is within your rights.
No mawakiri maumwe wa mwikuirwo njuragano-ini ino Peter Karaja uria wari muthuri wa mubunge wa Gilgil Martha Wangari maugite matiganire na uria Karaja ikirio ngono na maundu maria marumireire angigakinywo wabici-ini cia uthuthuria wa ngero cia wiki na DCI.
Our client was blindfolded, his hands uncuffed at his back, and he was bundled into a boot of a vehicle, and his car driven by other people other than himself against all the rights of an arrested person.
Wakiri Hamlagat atitirithitie Karaja arakuruhanio na gikuo giki ita njira ya kumuninira thirito ciake cia kiuteti na ihitia inene ria Karaja ciira-ini uyu wa kuragwo gwa Cohen kuringana na wakiri wake ni gukorwo na unyitaniri wa kibiashara na mutigairi.
That business relationship is documented. If there is any issue that you will wish to ask, it is the business relationship was purely related to consultancy of services in business, in transportation business and tours.
Mundu wa gikiro gia Karaja akiuga ndangihenererio na mbeca nini gutabania ngero ya muthemba uyu na kuma anyitwo ni akoretwo akinyitanira na borithi na gukinyeria riu agirirwo gukorwo akinyitio igoti-ini gwitika thitango.
We intend to make an application for production of our client in court so that maybe we can hear what the court will say on those issues.
Gutafanio kwa uthuthuria wa mwiri wa Cohen mochari-ini ino ya Chiromo kuratanywo gukaheana mwerekera wa gwethana na aria mangikorwo mamuragire guku aria manyititwo makihinyiriria matihutanitie na njira o yothe na gikuo giake. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.